And I'm part of American Chemical Society in multiple affiliations as an editor. And American Chemical Society has a particular outreach program called Celebrating Chemistry. Celebrating Chemistry. The chemistry can be celebrated in very many different ways beyond the classrooms. That would be my mandate to tell the value of demonstration. Because seeing is believing is what we are hard ingrained. The seeing is believing is what we are told. Unless you see it, you don't believe it. But the same group of students, one becomes a physics enthusiast much earlier in life than later in life. One becomes passionate about physics because seeing is believing is way more appealing in physics because you have the concepts of Newtonian mechanics. You have those concepts because you can experience it in real life. Someone coming down the slope in a cycle could apply brakes. Someone running down the slope will reduce the speed for want of better friction on the surface and not falling down. So many of these things about temperature, the idea of temperature, idea of heat, and many physics concepts are perceivable. You can experience it. But when it comes to chemistry, we are the ones who would have to rebuild, create the right perspective about chemistry, the true color of chemistry, and to celebrate chemistry. So there are some slides just to put it in a very comical way. What people think about chemistry, and these are at random in scattered locations. These points are there in textbooks. But then, how do we impart inspiration in kids to tell that chemistry is everywhere? Chemistry is everywhere. Impact of chemistry would be felt in anything that we touch.